I want to start this out by saying this. What I did and am doing might be a little bit confusing. To my subscribers that watch all my videos and have been on my channel, you'll realize that I have a playlist of nothing but 67 chevelle videos. I was putting videos in that really, to me, after thinking about it, didn't feel like needed to be part of that build series. So I've made another playlist, and the playlist is called 67 Daily. Now, I'm doing that because as I work on it, I'm going to put a video up, and it's more likely to have me talking a lot in it. It's more likely to have me showing oddball stuff and talking about oddball stuff. The main 67 chevelle playlist is low budget 67 chevelle, and it's just going to have more done in each video. A lot of the videos will still be the same stuff that I've already showed, but I'm doing that to try to not drive away people so much. So 67 Daily, low budget 67 chevelle. I couldn't think of any better way to do that because I wanted to be able to post a video almost every day. But I didn't want the 67's playlist to be full of 5-minute videos. I wanted it to have a lot of 10 and 15-minute videos instead of, short ones. So this is the first post reorganization 67 chevelle daily videos. Let me know what you think of that. Trying to organize the videos a little bit better. So quality, it ain't going anywhere. It just ain't pretty. Tomorrow I'll probably get up here and do this side. I've got to cut out a little bit of that rust and patch some stuff in and make it work. But then I can do this side. The majority of the time when they're working on a car, everybody would like to do the absolute best they can do. And I like to do that too. But sometimes you have to compromise and just do it. It just has to be. It doesn't have to be right. After I fix this up, grind it and fill it and seal it up and stuff, other than the people watching this video, you're not going to be able to tell that I done that. I want to thank you for watching, and be sure to let me know what you think of that. I'll see you next time. God bless.